Nandun na sa counter yung asawa ko, pero tinatawag ko siya kasi meron ako nakita dito. Sabi niya, I am so dangerous in shopping kapag sinasama niya ako kasi puro mga pagkain yung aking nakikita. Ayan, tawagin natin siya, tingnan natin kung magre-reklamo. Ayan, so ayan, I found, look at that, I found some mussels and prawns. I don't know how much are that. We can just have a check.
There is the prices there.
Oh, okay, hang on, I don't know. Oh, $6.49 only for this one. In Wodonga, this is $30.
Whole cooked green shell mussels. Do you want them?
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Just hang on.
Stop fucking around.
Yeah, let's take prawns here. Prawns is only $15.
Right.
Oh, maybe I can just get the mussels.
That's up to you. You polish yourself. You can get whatever you want.
Well, I can get prawns in. I can get prawns in bloody Bortons, and I can't get these, so I'll just get that. What about that?
Two?
Yeah,
How do you know they're any good?
they're good.
All right.
Thank you.
You can get prawns in McDonald's. In Burton's. Are
Yeah.
they the same price as that?
Yeah.
They are.
So, ayan guys, sobrang happy ko na naman kasi, ayan, meron akong seafoods. Ayan, so, baba na natin kasi sobrang lamig. Meron akong 2 kilos of mussels and 1 kilos of prawns.
Fucking bag up.
So, ayan guys, we are at Aldi's today. And we are looking for electric blanket po kasi yung hinahanap namin. Tapos all of the sudden, ang nakita ko po is mussels at saka prawns because I am a seafood lover. Ayan, so wala kami nabiling electric blanket pero I have my favorite seafoods. Yan, mussels at saka prawns.